वेलकम टू प्लैनेट बॉलीवुड। पिछले कुछ दिनों से आपने एक खबर सुनी होगी अबाउट टीवी एक्टर रूही शैलेश कुमार सिंह, जो कि एक एक्सीडेंट में थी और शी वाज इन अ स्टेट ऑफ विच शी कंज्यूम्ड अल्कोहल एंड शी गॉट इनटू अ फाइट विद अ कॉप। ये खबर किसी और व्यक्ति के बारे में था, पर अ लॉट ऑफ मीडिया चैनल्स, अ लॉट ऑफ प्रिंट, दे वेंट अहेड एंड दे पोर्ट्रेड दैट ये खबर फॉर्मर मिस इंडिया एंड एक्टर रूही सिंह के बारे में है, जो कि हमारे साथ है अभी। अब ये स्टोरी कैन बी अ केस ऑफ मिस्टेकन आइडेंटिटी, बट हाउ इट अफेक्टेड रूही एंड हाउ द स्टोरी वेंट अबाउट इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस टुडे, एंड हाउ थिंग्स shouldn't have gone the way it went down. Thank you for joining us, Ruhi.
Thank you for having me.
I think it's absolutely encouraging with the way you've dealt with the situation. We spoke about this earlier. मुझे पता है कि वो situation आपके लिए बहुत ही painful था, बहुत ही confusing था कि क्यों जब वो व्यक्ति ही नहीं है उस वीडियो में। एक वीडियो दिखाया गया था जहाँ पे she was in an argument with a cop and she was drunk, पर वो आप नहीं थी। पर हर जगह ये बताया गया कि नहीं, ये रूही सिंह वही रूही सिंह है, शी इज़ द फॉर्मर मिस इंडिया और एक्टर ये है। उस वक्त जब आपने ये बात सुनी, आपके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा था?
So I am appalled by the lackadaisical attitude and sheer irresponsibility in reporting. मतलब was there no apprehension कि इस तरीके की जो न्यूज़ होती है, how it can affect an innocent person's life? Initially जब मुझे न्यूज़ के बारे में पता चला, so I actually laughed it off. मुझे लगा it's April Fool's Day and somebody is just playing with me. It's some kind of a joke. But when I saw that the news became really serious and there was actually somebody. Okay, I was tagged on Instagram by a certain reputed media house, and that's where I saw a video. There was a video and they said Ruhi Singh 12, which is my Instagram, was has done this and is in an accident, and I was like, I went and I watched the video. It's very evident, it's quite discerning that the person in the video and the person you're tagging are two different people. हमारे नाम सेम है रूही सिंह, बट दैट डजंट मीन आप गूगल करते हैं और जो भी आपको पहली रूही सिंह मिली, जो कि ओके, आई ऑल्सो अग्री कि मे बी उनके बारे में गूगल पे कुछ नहीं था, बट दैट डजंट गिव एनीबडी अ राइट कि वो मेरी फोटोग्राफ्स चला दें। क्या ये आपकी स्टोरी को स्पाइस अप करने के लिए किया गया था, या जस्ट बिकॉज अच्छा ये एक्ट्रेस हैं और इन्होंने कुछ काम किया हुआ है और ये फॉर्मर मिस इंडिया है तो शायद आपने आपको लगा सेंसेशनल बना रहे हैं? क्योंकि आई डोंट थिंक अनइंटेंशनली कोई ऐसी गलती कर सकता है, और अगर अनइंटेंशनली हुई है तो बहुत ही शर्मनाक बात है ये। बिकॉज वी वॉच दीज न्यूज चैनल्स, वी ट्रस्ट रिपोर्टिंग, दे से अ पेन इज माइटियर देन द स्वॉर्ड। यू हैव सो मच ऑफ पावर। आप दुनिया के सामने आप अपनी न्यूज़ डालते हैं, पीपल बिलीव इन यू, पीपल ट्रस्ट यू, दे थिंक यू आर टेलिंग देम द ट्रूथ। बट आप इतनी इररिस्पॉन्सिबल जर्नलिज्म कैसे कर सकते हैं? इतनी बड़ी बेवकूफ़ी कैसे कर सकते हैं?
बहुत सही बात कही है आपने, क्योंकि लाइक शी सेज, आई थिंक वी हैड अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस group called media. Media is supposed to be responsible with what you're saying because there are people listening to you and watching you and reading about whatever you're writing. And और ये जो स्टोरी थी, इन्होंने इनकी लाइफ बदल दी कैसे आप पूछोगे तो बिकॉज व्हेन आई वाज टॉकिंग टू हर सम टाइम बैक, शी वाज टेलिंग मी हाउ डिप्रेस्ड यू आर फॉर सम टाइम बिकॉज यू गॉट सच मैसेजेस फ्रॉम पीपल and you were constantly explaining कि नहीं, मैं नहीं हूँ, आप गलत समझ रहे हो, and you felt judged for something that you didn't do.
Absolutely, it has affected me and my family in horrendous ways, and it's actually a very serious situation. जैसे लोगों को लगता है कि जो लोग इस सिचुएशन में नहीं है, कोई बाहर वाले हैं, वो एक बार न्यूज़ देखेंगे, फिर बाद में देखेंगे अच्छा ये नहीं थी, ओके कोई बात नहीं, क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है? बट नहीं, फ़र्क पड़ता है। I started getting hate comments from the Maharashtrian community because in that video वो जो रूही दूसरी हैं, उन्होंने कुछ बड़ी गलत बातें बोली हैं, तो particular community उनको ऐसा लगा कि वो मैं हूँ, and I started getting abuses on social media. Then not just that, I lost a film. Actually, I was supposed to go and sign a film on the 2nd of April when in the morning this news came out. And then I got a call from them saying कि नहीं अब थोड़ा बाद में बात करेंगे, आप ये handle करें, आप ये controversy में हैं तो. I said but वो मैं तो हुई नहीं. But you know, your name matters a lot. देखिए, it takes a lifetime to build a reputation and it takes 1 second to ruin it. So this is what they have done. And आप ये देखिए कि ये सब होने के बाद I'm yet to receive an apology. Nobody has apologized. I think it's because I'm not a star kid. And I think it's because I am somebody who is on her own, trying to make a career in this city, and I don't have any backing of a powerful family. A good part is that Indians are very intelligent. We are not fools. So जब ये news आई मुझे अभी तक लग रहा था कि everybody thinks it's me, and I'm trying to give explanation. Like I've never seen myself so what is that word? I've never seen myself so weak. जो मैंने past 2 days में लिखा है. So vulnerable. But then I got hold of the situation. I was like, you know what? Nobody thinks it's you anymore. Because all my followers, all my fans have supported me a lot. And that is because there was clear evidence of the video. There is a video there. So everybody who has, you know, who can see it, saw that video and said, no, this is not Ruhi. And in fact, जो ये media houses थे, उनके social media पे जाके all my fans were commenting, this is not Ruhi Singh, this is not, why are you tagging her? So I'm so grateful for the support that I got from this country, from everybody, from all my fans. And you know, that made me stronger. Like, I mean, now, honestly, I think the media, the people who have done this have sort of become a joke.
And like you said, I'm still shocked that you haven't received an apology, because if you've made a mistake, I think the next step should have been to apologize. And I know that you also were considering legal action.
I still am.
You still am. What is happening regarding that?
I am definitely considering legal action. But I'm somebody who likes to really stay far away from controversies, to be very honest, and from negativity. And I'm already trying too hard, you know, being this girl, like a single girl, only child. I have a lot of responsibility on my shoulders, like many others. So every day going to court and I'm really trying to gather information and try and file a legal suit. But I want to know, why have they not apologized yet? Is it the ego? What is up with this arrogant attitude? You think I'm nothing? Or you think me representing a common girl in Bombay trying to make a career, are we nothing to you? Is it because I don't have a very powerful surname? If it were a very big star kid, you tell me, they would think twice before putting that news out. Now, it wouldn't happen to somebody whose parents are stars. Then why me?
And you know, you mentioned this, and I have to ask you, you know, you've come in a lot of shows, and digital now is the way forward. Everybody knows that.
Yes.
You made an impact there. You were there in Mom & Co as well, you know. Just silent plug-in out there.
Mom & Co, watch it.
And so people know you. And, you know, like you, we were discussing, आप अपने दम पे चीज़ें कर रही हैं. You don't have a backing. It's not like you have, like you said, a powerful Bollywood filmy name, and you're not a star kid. And now that we've come to that discussion, how difficult is that journey without it? I know people say, nahi yaar, you know, if you have talent to get through it, at the end of it, they also have to prove themselves. But it is a difficult journey, right?
Yeah. Well, I actually am a very true believer of the law of attraction. And I feel that, so I honestly feel that, you know, if you don't give up, you'll get it. The problem is people sort of give up at some point, and that's when, see, life is anyway, I personally feel life is anyway an illusion. This entire reality that we are living, we sort of forget that we are all mortal beings by the end of the day. So while you're living, while you're at it, you must go for your dreams and try and attain them with all your might. Of course, it's very difficult, but all these things sort of keep you motivated. But the reality is that it is very difficult. Every day you're going to get up, every day you're going to get down. By the end of the evening, you will lose, you will lose, you will lose. But finally, maybe one day you'll win. And in that hope, we all keep working. और उसके बीच में कुछ इस तरीके का हो जाए जहाँ पे आपका हाथ ही नहीं है. अच्छा, कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि well, I saw a lot of comments, you know, कि PR हो गया, या you know, आपका बहुत publicity हो गई, and all publicity is good publicity. No, it's not. It is not, because I lost projects. Yeah. You know, I'm not here for a temporary being. I have not come this far just to come this far that I'll be happy with publicity. No, it means nothing to me. I'm here to stay. And to be very honest, up until yesterday, I thought I'd lost it. The first time I saw myself being so vulnerable. But today, when I woke up in the morning, I was like, I'm going to get over it. And that's the strength every woman and every girl in this country needs, you know, to get back up on your feet.
Yeah.
And that's what I'm planning to do. I'm trying to do. And let's see, I hope the directors and producers who were considering me in projects also understand the fact that I had nothing to do with it. So this shouldn't affect my chances anywhere.
It absolutely shouldn't. It's appalling and it's disturbing that for no fault of yours you're dragged into something and then it starts affecting you for real. तो ये तो गलत है ही और मुझे लगता है इससे सबको एक सीख लेनी चाहिए. That the seek for the media is pretty clear. यहाँ से आपको सबक से भी ज़्यादा मैं कहूँगी एक अगर आपने ये नहीं सीखा है किस तरह से ये किसी की ज़िंदगी को अफेक्ट कर सकता है, there is no better example than this. We have to be responsible in reporting. We have to give sides. And like I said, we also make mistakes, but it's important to correct it. And that is what needs to be done. We cannot take reporting.
After a point, मुझे लगता है जानबूझ के किया गया था. After a point, ये एक क्योंकि correction बहुत जल्दी हो गया था. जब पता चला हर चैनल पे जब मेरा photos आ गई थी, everywhere it was me, you know, everywhere. And suddenly then Times of India, who I'm extremely grateful to. Today, I am who I am because of Times of India. I would like to say that, you know. I'm so grateful to them. And I remember they started rolling corrections out because there was a clear video. So they were like, no, this is the wrong Ruhi Singh being tagged. In spite of that, people were still tagging me. After a point, they did not even take... they didn't care, I would say. It was very careless, very evident, very intentionally they didn't care because they thought, what will I do? Who is she? Is she a Kapoor? No. It's okay, you know, this is making our news sensational because I think also I found that other Ruhi Shailesh Kumar's Instagram within 5 minutes of this news. They couldn't find it for 3 days. I'm shocked. That means your resources are dwindling. That means you need to work upon your people who are helping you.
And your research.
Your research is zero because I found her in 5 minutes. Phir bhi, after corrections rolled, they were still tagging me. And, you know, when I was literally calling each and every media house saying, excuse me, please untag me. They're like, oh, sorry, our junior reporter has put your photo, I'll remove it.
The attitude was that callous.
Yes. Can you imagine?
Yeah, that is shocking.
That was arrogance and it still is going on. I'm shocked.
You know, I would like to just say and end at the note by saying that I'm glad that you came out of this stronger and more positive. That I'm not going to let this bring me down for no fault of mine. I think that's an amazing attitude to have. So kudos to you, Ruhi, for doing that. And for everybody who's watching, and for my own colleagues of the media there, we have to be more responsible. We have lives here and we cannot affect them in any wrong matter. Thank you once again, Ruhi, for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ruhi.